Are you considering a move to a city that perfectly blends culture, music, and a vibrant lifestyle? Look no further than Austin, Texas. In this video, we will explore the top 10 reasons why Austin should be your next destination. Reason number 1, thriving job market. Austin boasts a thriving job market with a diverse range of industries, including technology, healthcare, and creative sectors. It's home to major companies like Dell, Apple, and IBM, making it a hub for career opportunities and innovation. Reason number 2, live music capital of the world. Austin is famously known as the live music capital of the world. With over 250 live music venues, you will have endless opportunities to enjoy diverse genres and discover talented local artists. From intimate gigs to large festivals like South by Southwest, Austin music scene is unmatched. Reason number 3, outdoor activities. Nature enthusiasts will love Austin's abundance of outdoor recreational activities, from hiking and biking trails along Lady Bird Lake to swimming in a natural spring of Barton Springs Pool. There is something for everyone. Austin's warm climate allows for year-round outdoor adventures. Reason number 4, cultural diversity. Austin embraces cultural diversity, which is evident in its vibrant neighborhoods and annual events like Austin City Limit Musical Festival and the Pecan Street Festival. Whether you are a foodie, a lover, or history enthusiast, Austin's rich cultural offering will captivate you. Reason number 5, food and drink scene. Austin food and drink scene is a culinary paradise. From world-class barbecue joints to the gourmet food trucks, you will find a wide range of delicious options to satisfy your taste. Don't forget to try the famous Tex-Mex and indulge into craft beers from local breweries. Reason number 6, education and research institutions. Austin is home to top-tier educational institutions like the University of Texas at Austin, which attracts brilliant minds from around the world. The city also boasts renowned research institutions, fostering a culture of innovation and intellectual growth. Reason number 7, festivals and events. Austin knows how to throw a party, from the Austin Film Festival to the Austin Food and Wine Festival. There is always something exciting happening in the city. The vibrant festival scene creates a unique and lively atmosphere year-round. Reason number 8, friendly and welcoming community. Austin's residents are known for the warm and welcoming nature. The city prides itself on its sense of community and inclusivity. Whether you are a newcomer or a longtime resident, you'll find that Austin embraces everyone with open arms. Reason number 9, proximity to natural beauty. Austin's location provides easy access to breathtaking natural beauty. From the stunning Texas Hill Country to the enchanting Hamilton Pool Preserve, you will find yourself surrounded by beautiful landscapes that offer a peaceful escape from the city life. Reason number 10, unique Austin vibe. Last but not least, Austin has a unique vibe that sets apart from any other city. From the iconic greetings from Austin mural to the vibrant street art scene, Austin creative and laid-back atmosphere will make you feel Austin create a laid-back atmosphere that will make you feel at home. So whether you're seeking career opportunities, a lively music scene, outdoor adventures, or a vibrant community, Austin has it all. Come and experience the magic of this incredible city for yourself. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel or visit my Instagram and follow me.